Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Mishra. Today, going to continue with the revision of Standard 5, Chapter 3 and 4. Chapter 3 तक का रिवीजन हम लोग हो चुका है. आज हम लोग चैप्टर 3 से एक बार और रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. वर्किंग विद द टेबल्स. इसमें बुक के अंदर से भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे, जैसे शिफ्ट प्लस डी की कॉम्बिनेशन टू डिलीट द सेलेक्टेड रो एंड कॉलम फ्रॉम ए टेबल, ऑल्ट प्लस 5 की ऑन द न्यूमेरिक कीबोर्ड्स एंड fill in the blanks. The tab key used to move the cursor to the joining cell of the table. Quick access, quick tables option is used to insert the pre-designed table in the Word document. A small hollow square at the bottom right corner of the table is called table resize handle. Auto fit windows option adjusts the table according to the margin set on a window. Formatting controls all the overall appearance of a table. Splitting a cell means dividing the selected cell into the separate cell. And shift plus tab key is used to move to the next cell is false. The clicking on the table moves handle with the selected entire table is true. You can insert column only to the left side of the selected column is false. Auto fit contents option adjusts the column with according to the data entered is true. Cell cannot be merged in a table is false. You can add a row or a column in a table by clicking the plus sign is true. Now MCQ. The intersection of the column and row is called cell. The table group is present on the insert tab. Which key combination delete the selected row and column from a table is shift plus delete. Which function key used to update the total in cell F9. Which among the following shortcut used to numeric keypad to the selected the entire table is Alt plus 5. Now chapter 4 using the mail merge chapter 4 के लिए important questions ये रहेगा कि press the tab key to move between the field while typing the information. Record is a row of a data sheets. Number of field can be one record. Field is a column in a table. A data source contains one type of information. Now fill in the blanks. Main document contains the text that can be sent to all the recipients. The tab key helps to move between the field while typing the data. That data is organized in a tabular form along with the field name. A tick mark gives the indication that a record is selected. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field name is data source. Now true false. The main document consists of a mailing list. That is the false. Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information is true. Merge field is the features that is used to combine a recipient's list with a main document is true. Preview results option on the mailing tab display the first record from the data source is true. Two main components required during a mail merge process are the main document and the merge field is false. MCQ. The record is a row on a data sheet which consists of number of field. Merge field is a data item which is instruct Microsoft Word where to insert the data source information in the main document. To create a new recipients list, select the type of a new list radio button under the select recipients. Which type of a following document does not require the using the mail merge feature is pamphlets. Using the existing list option allow you to pick data source from a spreadsheet. In mail merge, where do you organize data in the tabular form along with the field name is data source. Which tab you select the execute the mail merge option is mailing tab. Which option is used to print a mail merge document is print document. Which part of the document data set display the one type of information is field. Which option is used to preview the final mail merge document preview result under mailing tab option. Now more on PowerPoint में कुछ नया क्या क्या है. इसमें बुक के अंदर से क्वेश्चंस जो है वो नहीं है. अब fill in the blanks. A presentation is a collection of the slides that are arranged in a sequential manner. Most of the view buttons are present in the presentation view. Ink equation is a new features using which you can add math equation into your presentation. Slide sorter view display a miniature view of all the slides of a presentation. Comments are a great way to provide the feedback to the other about their presentation. The photo album is a feature that allow you to club your personal and business photographs together to use a presentation. Now true false. There are the 7 available PowerPoint, 7 available views available in the PowerPoint. False. By default, the gray theme is applied to the PowerPoint view is false. To move the text next slide in a slide sort view is escape view is false. Using note page view, you can include the notes in the presentation that you send the audience is true. Comments in a slide cannot be turned off is false. Using convert to shape tools, you can convert the hand drawn shape to uniform geometric shape is true. MCQ. Which function is used to display the slide so that is the F5. In which view do you get the outline view pane is outline view? And which of the following require the network service to start the slideshow from beginning? Which features find the information related to the selected item on the web without forcing the to open any internet browser is smart lookup? Which of the following options hide all the slides text in the outline which collapse all? On which tab do you find the screen recording option in insert tab? तो ये आपका चैप्टर 1 से लेके 5 तक का रिवीजन होगा, तैयारी करेंगे. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.